the constant fear of vanishing into oblivion. We say that we're scared, we say that we understand, but we really can't understand the plight of the millions of refugees all around the world since times immemorial.
While every refugee story is different and their anguish is personal, they all share a common thread of uncommon courage, the courage not only to survive but to persevere and rebuild their shattered lives.
This is Refugee by Alan Gratz. The story of three children who fought their destiny in hope for a better future. Yusuf, a mere boy of 12 years who experienced the most gruesome genocide in the history of mankind. He had to flee his beloved homeland Germany after the release of his father from the concentration camp Dachau. With his father fading into insanity, a skeleton with no soul who had returned from a graveyard. Completing his bar mitzvah, he left his mother's apron strings and his father's hands, which pushed him to become a mature adult. His story ends with a sacrifice his family will never forget.
Isabel, a caring and brave young girl from Havana, Cuba, facing starvation under the rule of Fidel Castro in 1994. Their journey across the Gulf of Mexico in a rickety, weak boat with a woman, Isabel's mother, who was due to deliver her baby in a week's time. This is Isabel's vision of finding home in the States or El Norte with her neighbor Ivan and their families. Mahmoud, a young Syrian boy, wise beyond his years, set across Europe, escaping the bombing of his home.
From day long walks to detention centers and heartbreaking sacrifices, let's know the story of this brave child set in 2015. So, why should you read Refugee?
This heart stopping novel is not only compelling, it's necessary.
Yes, reading this book, Refugee, is really important as we have taken our freedom and safety for granted. And in our own superficial world, we have forgotten the real world out there.
Watching these children learn from their hardships is a wake up call for fresh generations. We have forgotten the value of coal in the search for the diamond.
Humans are territorial creatures, so wars have been fought since ages. Unfortunately, the displaced people who are affected the most are also the ones who are ignored the most.
In 1994, the year of Isabel's story, an estimated 3 out of 5 Cuban refugees who attempted the journey died at sea. The MS St. Louis was a real ship that set sail from Nazi Germany in 1939 with 937 passengers on board. All of them were Jewish refugees trying to escape the Nazis.
Mahmud city, Aleppo, is under siege, pounded daily by Russian air attacks and Syrian army artillery. It's no wonder then that more than 10 million Syrians have been displaced from their homes. And the way Alan Gratz has portrayed the evolution of these characters is not only phenomenal but also inspiring.
Yusuf teaches us the importance of taking up responsibility. Isabel shows us that we can do anything if we have our family by our side. Muhammad expresses the value of being visible and being heard.
We can learn so much from these children. And the way Alan Gratz beautifully entwines these stories of these characters is a small example of his literary genius.
Refugee will change the way you look at humans forever.